Hi guys, this is Rara Coco. This is the video that you don't want to miss. Okay, there is lots of stocks that I'm going to discuss and talk about with a possible potential of a multiple kaboom. Okay, and there is also a two new stock that is really hot. Okay, one stock is in the energy renewable, okay, and they are making a lot of noise in the market. There's a lot of orders, and there's a lot of things going on in that stock, and that will be a multiple kaboom, swing, kaboom, okay? Multiple kaboom, swing, kaboom. It's gonna have an incremental of explosion. It's because a massive reversal has already been identified, and the six signals that Rara Coco invented, that Rara Coco noticed, that Rara Coco developed, has been identified on this two specific stock. The other stock is really hot. It's because, would you believe that the short sellers went over the free float? The float was borrowed by the short sellers 180 times last week. 180% of the float was borrowed by the short sellers and have not returned. Hence, the specific stock that I'm talking about is on a threshold list. Hence, why are they on a threshold list? It's because the massive accumulation happened last week. When those retail investors are accumulating, they know exactly of a massive kaboom that is about to happen on that specific stock, because the short sellers can be triggered with a margin call. This is very dangerous for them, because it's dangerous when retail investor starts buying the stock and holding the stock can explode with a possibility of over $100 with a very low start price. Now, can this happen? Of course not. I am not uh, uh, I cannot read the future, right? Things can happen, but this is all speculation by me. This is all guessing by me. This is all because of the six signals that I have developed, that I know that the stock is showing me that six signals, and it's very strong. Very strong. And when it's very strong, the accumulation, I already noticed that there is already an accumulation of both stocks. So the stock is really dangerously, imminently going to have the possibility and suspected to have a massive explosion. Both of them have a very low start. So make sure you finish this video. I'm going to share both of that information on why I think it's going to explode. Is that a guarantee? Is no. Am I asking you to buy it? No. Am I asking you to sell it? No. Am I asking you to hold it? No. If you make money, that's on you. If you lose money, that's on you. I'm not a financial advisor. You have to do your due diligence. You cannot trust me. You cannot trust us. You have to do your due diligence, just like me. A lot of people are sending me all of these alerts. I don't trust them. So I make my own stocks. I already know how to look for a winning stock, because I know what the retail wants. I know what the big kahunas wants. I know what the big whales wants. I know how the warranty works. I know how the offering works. I know how the dilution works. I know how the bankruptcy works. I know how the delisting work. I know how the split work. I know how the dilution work. I know how the reverse split work. I know how the IPO work, just because of all of the experience that I have discovered and how the people out there are doing on what they're doing on this specific stock. All speculation, all theories, just because of my observation, because I'm a stock hunter 24/7. I notice patterns on this chart, patterns that I am seeing. Why is it this like this? Why is it this? You have to ask the why, what, where, and when, and then come up with something. Why is this, and this? And that's what I was thinking, right? Do I have proof? No proof. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and talk about this specific stock. um, my name is Rara Coco, and I am a stock hunter 24/7. I send massive, massive, massive alert. I send massive, massive alert all over the world. I have subscribers all over the world, and I am the only one, the fastest one that can send alert multiple stocks, different stocks on a daily basis that the stock is about to explode. Okay, explosion, explosion, explosion. And when you do that, you got the chance to do your due diligence. You get the chance to say, I'm going to buy, hold, or sell. This is on you. Okay, on you. I am not a financial advisor. Again, I will not make any recommendation and I will not give any advice. So let's talk about what happened. Okay. So JFBR exploded to 108%. Take a look at this stock. See if you want to invest in a JFBR. It's not over. More to come. This is just an initial phase. Okay. Jeff Brands for Amazon revenues increased by 55%. Okay. That is the big news. I captured the news. I send the alert directly to my subscribers' cell phone fast and quick. And we got one kaboom, kaboom. See, I don't just send one. It's because I'm not like other YouTubers or influencers that will only send you one because they've already bought below, right? They already bought below and they want you to buy so that they can sell. CTNT, take a look at that. 31%. Hot, 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 hot. CTNT. Take a look at that. See if you want to invest in that one. JDZG, I send that alert at the lowest price possible at $5. It exploded to $30.38. Take a look at my information in here. Okay. Buru did a 15 million shares of common stock. The stock exploded. Okay, to 130%. So that is Buru. Okay. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. That's Buru. These are the things that exploded. Now, FFIE exploded, right? The same day, 124%, right? From $1 or something. So is FFIE over with? No. Why would that be over? They have not returned it. These are people taking profits, right? Can you blame them not to take profit? Just you tell me. Can you blame them not to take profit? Okay, so these are retails taking profit, and that is a-okay. Congratulations to all the winners. All right. So look at this one. This stock went down. Okay. The same day it exploded to 134%. And then it ended up still at $1.13. Okay. So FFIE, so far right now, 10 cents rule. They overcome that problem. So far, over $1 rule, they overcome that problem. So is Monday the stock is going to explode again? There is a possibility that it will explode again because retail knows they have not returned. They have not returned the share. So Monday, I think it's going to explode again. Tuesday, it's going to explode again. This stock is going to explode again. It's because it's not over yet. The squeeze did not happen. Everybody says, "Oh, the stock was squeezed." It did not happen, right? The squeeze did not occur. Why? Let me check FFIE. Let me check if they returned the shares because I am watching it. I am watching the short sales of FFIE. Did they return it? No, they did not return it. It's 92.47%. That's almost 100%. They have not returned it. They got really, really happy though. So there's a chance that they may return it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and the stock will blow up again, right? So that is a good thing. And a lot of the retail investors know that. The stock, it's already exploded from 04 cents to $1.13. So this is going to explode again. It's not over yet on this specific stock. We are watching the stock carefully to squeeze to happen. Okay, this is just one stock that is in the verge of a possibility of a massive, massive, massive sweet squeeze kaboom. All right, squeeze kaboom. You are watching Rara Coco. I'm a fan. I'm not, this is finance news. I'm a stock hunter 24/7. I send alert directly to your cell phone. Okay. When I send FFIE, you all know that I was the first one alerting everyone, the YouTubers, everybody else, and the starting price was at 0.04 cents. And you can look it up here on my channel here, and you can investigate that. This is the one that I'm talking about, JDZG. JDCG kaboom. It's an IPO kaboom. I know exactly how to play the IPO kaboom. And the stock exploded. Send the alert, early alert to all my private Discord. Exploded, exploded, exploded. Okay, kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. So that is one. So what is this one? This one is Akanda. Akanda is the one that I sent an early alert to all of you guys. This stock is exploded and this is not over yet. The stock is very, very popular. Take a look at that. See if you want to invest on that one. This one is CRKN. CRKN is I identify this as influencers and influencers and social media a pump and dump. When that happens, I'd like to scalp the stock. I don't want to hold it. SNOA is another stock that is a pump and dump. I don't like to hold this stock. I want to scalp it on a daily basis multiple times because it's a profit, profit, profit is better. BHAI is another hot stock. Take a look at that. See if you want to invest in that one. That is a hot, 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 hot stock. Okay. All of this stock, there is not one or two stock that will explode on a daily basis. There's over 100 stock that explode on a daily basis. So you cannot just focus on one stock, right? So I just want you guys to be aware of there's a new way to trade. Okay. G-Wave is not over. G-Wave is not over. That's another stock that you want to watch. FLJ, this is another China pump and dump. Chinese stock, they will pump it so fast and they will dump right away. They want you to get excited and buy the stock. They're trying to capture you and all of that. So look at this. This is FFIE that I told you guys that I send the alert at zero 0.04 cents right here. 0.04 cents, I send the alert. Okay. The stock exploded over $3.70. Duo is another stock that is a pump and dump. So this stock exploded very, very high too. Duo. Okay. Akanda, I talked to you about Akanda and all of that. Again, this is the one that, after all day I cook this. This is beer melon with egg, with sweet potato, onions, and tomato. So I cooked this one. I just wanted to let you guys know that that's what I ate. I'm trying to be healthy. So here's one of my subscriber, and he says, and he says, what did he say? Okay, this is what it says. Gonna ride FFIE till the wheels falls off. The soccer who well worth 199 for your suggestion. You the man. Okay, so that's Mark, and that's what he told me. He likes all my alerts. Okay, so everybody's getting an early alerts directly on your cell phone. Here's another one. Another of my students, not students, but they went into my online class. I made good profit in ASTI and I did scalping the stocks you mentioned in the Twitter and YouTube. I never come in anyone with 90% guess which made the stock is going to go like you. You're awesome. You changed my thinking and I made super profit today. You have to change the way you think, the way you do things in trading. If you're losing money, you have to make some changes. Here's another one. BRSH. I send the alert at 09 cents and it exploded. My subscribers got my early alert and the stock exploded. Okay, 2.25 cents. This is another hot, 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 hot stock. Okay, here is the stock that I want you guys to put it on your radar if you can. Guys, put this on your radar if you can. Oh, computer is slowing again. This is, I get really, really frustrated if my computer goes really, really slow. Can't even do anything on this one. Let me see if I can exit out. And it will, if it going to make it faster. So I exit out, open this. Okay. This is the stock that I want you guys to really pay attention and put it on your radar. Put it on your radar and start doing your due diligence. See if you want to invest on this specific stock, SGBX. Take a look if you want to invest on that specific stock. SGBX. Wow. There's not much open, but it's like this laptop is really slowing down. Sometimes when I have to reboot, it becomes faster. But SGBX, just wanted to let you know, starting price right now it's $5.14. The short sellers borrowed 180% of the float and have not returned. The stock is also on the threshold list. I repeat, the stock also is on the threshold list. This is very, very dangerous for the short sellers. They could lose infinite amount of money. So this stock has the
Possibility to go over $100.
The stock SGBX I identified as a multi-kaboom stock. And SGBX again has the possibility to move over $100 if it squeezes. Is that a promise? Is that a guarantee? No. Is that a suspicion? Yes, it is. I am suspecting that this SGBX will explode over over $100. So take a look at that. Hopefully I'm right, but you know, you can't trust whatever I say. You have to do your due diligence. So that's SGBX. Okay. Now that you know that, this is the other stock that is super hot, super hot stock. This stock is super hot stock. Look at that. I don't have much application open. Oh, it's slow. All right, you got the SGBX, right? So let's do this. Close that one. Close that. And I want you to start your due diligence on SI Sing. SING. Okay. This specific stock made a big acquisition, solar, right? Solar, it's one. And then suppliers of the equipment and whatever, they bought that too. The company is in the verge of a massive kaboom business wise. Lots of orders of the solar panels, solar system. Okay. Even MGM, even MGM ordered their solar system. Okay. Solar system, and they installed it at their property. Take a look at Sing, because Sing is doing really, really good in the environment. And there is a massive news and massive catalyst about to occur on Sing with regards to renewable energy. Renewable energy. Again, they are in the business of renewable energy, and this is an American product. So a lot of people have already started their accumulation on SING. Just wanted to let you know, there's already a lot of people, retail investors are already accumulating at the down low of SING, and they are holding. It's because this stock can explode massively higher and higher and higher. It's a multiple swing kaboom, because a lot of people buys this one and holds for a little bit, for a little bit longer while, because they see that the stock have reached rock bottom, and it is on a massive reversal. Okay, it is on a massive reversal. That is SING. Let's take a look at SGBX again. See if this one will open now faster. Here it is. Because I want you to see the receipt. I want you to see that the stock is on the threshold list and borrowed 180% of the shares of the stock, went over the board. They lost control. They don't know what to do now. Awareness is now aware. Everybody's aware about the stock. So there is a massive accumulation that occurred on this one already, just like Sing. So this stock is in the verge of a massive, 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 massive kaboom. I mean, take a look at this. It's not even exploding. It's not even showing. I will post it tomorrow, guys, or you can do your due diligence, check it out yourself. What is the short interest of SGPX? You tell me and let me know, see if that one is going to explode or not.